In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on Shopify. If you're bringing on a teammate, an accountant, or a developer, the goal is to give them exactly the access they need. Nothing more, nothing less, so your store stays secure and efficient. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each setting means so you can move quickly with confidence. First, log into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're signed in with an account that's allowed to manage users. Usually that's the store owner or a staff member with user management permissions. Next, look to the bottom left corner of your admin and click Settings. This opens the area where you control store-wide preferences. From here, select Users. This section lists everyone who already has access, plus any pending invitations, so it's a great place to review who's in your store before you add someone new. Click Add Users. You're about to create an invitation that sends access details by email. On the form that appears, enter the person's first name, last name, and their work email address. Take a moment to double check the spelling. If the email is off by a character, they won't receive the invite. When possible, use a company email rather than a personal one to keep access aligned with your business. Now choose the permissions this person should have. Think about what they need to do day to day. If they only handle orders and customer support, limit access to orders and customer information. If they manage products and inventory, turn on product and inventory permissions. For a developer, you might allow theme or app access. Be cautious with sensitive areas like billing, payouts, or store settings. Only grant those if it's truly required. A helpful rule is the principle of least privilege. Start with the minimum access they need, and you can always expand it later. When you're satisfied, click Save. Shopify will send the invitation automatically. The new user gains access after they accept the email invite and set their login. Back in the users section, you'll see their status. You can return any time to adjust permissions or remove access if roles change. If the invite doesn't arrive, have them check spam and filters, then resend the invite from the same page. That's it, you've added a new person to your Shopify store with the right level of access, keeping your operations smooth and your data secure. Remember, you can repeat this process for each teammate you bring on. Reviewing access periodically helps keep your store tidy and compliant, and tailoring permissions to real responsibilities will save time while protecting the parts of your business that matter most.